Good morning, all of you. Today, our topic is compound angles and subtopic is trigonometric functions. Compound angles. Objectives. After the completion of this presentation, you would able to solve the problems in compound angles. Problem number 12. If A, B are acute, then tan A equal n by n plus 1, tan B equal 1 by 2 n plus 1. Now we have to prove that A plus B equal pi by 4. Solution, we write A and B are acute. Tan A equal n by n plus 1, tan B equal n by 2n plus 1 we have. We know that tan of A plus B equal tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. This implies tan of A plus B equal, in the place of tan A we substitute n by n plus 1, tan B equal 1 by 2n plus 1 divided by 1 minus n by n plus 1 into 1 by 2n plus 1. Tan of A plus B equal, now we do the simplification by using the LCM, we get the result. Now we go to the problem number 12. That is also equal to n square plus n plus 1 by 2n square plus n plus 2n plus 1 minus 1. After simplification we get the result. That is also equal, we write n plus n equal to n, that is 2n square plus 2n plus 1 divided by 2n square plus 2n plus 1. Now the numerator denominator is equal, it will be cancelled, that is equal to 1. Therefore, tan of A plus B equal to 1, and also we write A plus B equal to pi by 4. Okay, now we go to the problem number 13. If A plus B plus C equal 180 degrees, show that tan 2A plus tan 2B plus tan 2C is equal tan 2A into tan 2B into tan 2C. We know that condition is A plus B plus C equal 180 degrees. 2A plus 2B plus 2C equal what? 360 degrees. Just we have to multiply with 2. Now we write 2A plus 2B equal 360 minus 2C. Applying here tan on both sides. Now we write tan of 2A plus 2B equal tan of 360 minus 2C. That is equal tan 2A plus tan 2B divided by 1 minus tan 2A into tan 2B equal tan of 360 minus 2C, we write minus tan 2C divided by 1. Here we apply tan of A plus B formula. Now we write tan 2A plus tan 2B is equal tan 2C into 1 minus tan 2A into tan 2B. Just we do the cross multiplication only. The next step we write tan 2A plus tan 2B equal, we can do the multiplication minus tan 2C plus tan 2A into tan 2B into tan 2C. Now we write tan 2A plus tan 2B plus tan 2C. The minus tan 2C to write in left side, we get positive value, that is tan 2C equal to tan 2A into tan 2B into tan 2C. Hence proved. Now we go to the problem number 4. If A plus B plus C equal 180 degrees, prove that tan A plus tan B plus tan C equal tan A into tan B into tan C. We know that condition A plus B plus C equal 180 degrees. Now we write A plus B equal 180 minus C. Applying tan on both sides. Now we write tan of A plus B equal tan of 180 minus C. Using the formula of tan of A plus B, we write tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B equal to, we know that tan of 180 minus C equal minus tan C. Now we write tan of A plus tan B equal, just we can do the cross multiplication, we write minus tan C plus tan A tan B tan C. The next step we write minus tan c. To go to the left side it will be positive. So that we write tan a plus tan b plus tan c equal tan a into tan b into tan c. Okay. Now we go to the problem number 15. If a plus b plus c equal 180 degrees, prove that cot a by 2 plus cot b by 2 plus cot c by 2 equal cot a by 2, cot b by 2, cot c by 2. This is all the same process. We know that the condition a plus b plus c equal 180 degrees, a by 2 plus b by 2 plus c by 2 equal 90 degrees. In each part we have to divide it by 2. We get 180 by 2, that is equal to 90. Now we write a by 2 plus b by 2 equal 90 minus c by 2. Apply cot on both sides. Now write cot of a by 2 plus b by 2 equal cot of 90 minus c by 2. Now we write cot a plus cot b formula we apply here. Cot a by 2 into cot b by 2 minus 1 by cot b by 2 plus cot a by 2, that is equal tan c by 2. Cot of 90 minus theta we get tan theta. So that we write tan c by 2. The next step we write cot a by 2 cot b by 2 minus 1 divided by cot b by 2 plus cot a by 2 equal tan c by 2. Opposite function of the tan is cot. So that we write 1 by cot c by 2. The next step we can do the cross multiplication. We write here cot a by 2 into cot b by 2 cot c by 2 minus cot c by 2 equal to cot b by 2 plus cot a by 2. Now we write the minus cot c by 2. We write the right side of the part. We get here cot a by 2 cot b by 2 cot c by 2 is equal cot a by 2 plus cot b by 2 plus cot c by 2. Okay. The next we go to the problem number 16. If a plus b plus c equal 90 degrees, prove that tan a tan b plus tan b tan c plus tan c tan a equal to 1. We know that condition a plus b plus c equal 90 degrees, and also we write a plus b equal 90 minus c. Now applying tan on both sides, we get tan of a plus b into tan of 90 minus c. Now apply the tan of a plus b formula. Tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b equal to tan of 90 minus c cot c. The next step we write tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b equal opposite function of cot c. We write 1 by tan c. This implies we can do the cross multiplication. We get tan a plus tan b into tan c equal to 1 minus tan a into tan b. This implies we have to multiply with tan c. Tan a into tan c plus tan b into tan c equal to 1 minus tan a into tan b. The next step we write minus tan a tan b to go to the left side, that is tan a into tan b plus tan b into tan c plus tan c into tan a equal to 1. Hence proved. Now we go to the summary. So far we have learned the procedure involved in solving problems in compound angles by applying various formulae in compound angles. Now we go to the quiz. If tan 2a plus tan 2b plus tan 2c equal tan 2a into tan 2b into tan 2c, then a plus b plus c equal 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 360 degrees. What is the answer? 180 degrees. Second question. If cot A into cot B plus cot B into cot C plus cot C into cot A equal to 1, then A plus B plus C equal 180 degrees, 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 360 degrees. What is the answer? 180 degrees. Now we see questions appeared in previous examinations. If a plus b plus c equal 180 degrees, prove that tan 2a plus tan 2b plus tan 2c equal tan 2a into tan 2b into tan 2c. Second question, if a plus b plus c equal 90 degrees, prove that tan a tan b plus tan b tan c plus tan c tan a equal to 1. Now we go to the assignment. If a plus b equal 135 degrees, prove that 1 plus cot a into 1 plus cot b equal to 2. Second question, given sin a equal 1 by root 2 and sin b equal 1 by 10, show that a plus b equal pi by 4. Third question, where a and b being acute angles. Now we go to the third one. Show that sine of a minus b divided by sine a sine b plus sine of b minus c divided by sine b sine c plus sine of c minus a divided by sine c sine a equal to 0. Here you observe these three problems depends only on the formulas of sine of a plus b and sine of a minus b and cos of a plus b and cos of a minus b and tan of a plus b and tan of a minus b and also cot of a plus b and also cot of a minus b. Okay, these assignment problems depends only on the formulas. Whenever you know about the formulas perfectly, you do these problems also perfectly. Okay, thank you very much.